Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to continue our work with compound words. I'm going to read through the list and then we're going to talk about some of those underlined words that you see here in our headers. And then we'll get right to our sorting. So here we go, we're at the top of our list. We have somebody, anyone, something, outside, sometime, sideways, nothing, myself. Then we have himself, without, itself, anything, yourself, herself, somehow, checkout. In our last column, we have everything, inside, everyone, beside, throughout, somewhere, someone, and themselves. So on our headers this week, we have our compound words that are made up with some, self, everything, thing, one, without or out, and side. Again, this week you're going to see that some of those words that are underlined are at the beginning of our compound word, some are at the end, and again, compound words are two words put together that sometimes create a new meaning that is a little bit separate from each individual word. I'm looking through your list and I'm not really seeing any words that you might have difficulty with meaning. So we're going to go ahead and grab our scissors and start our sorting. If you have a word that you're not sure of, please raise your hand and a teacher can come around to help you figure out the meaning of that word. All right, let's get started. Happy sorting.